All right, all right, all right. We are back on the Monte Carlo, and as y'all can see, we got some progress being made. Yabba dabba do, Flintstone mobile. Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. They're modern Scottish family. Come on, down the bedrock. They're based right out of history. Hey y'all, I'm about to yabba dabba do this mobile. This is a real Flintstone mobile right here. Wilma pedal power. Nah, as y'all can see, old floor out. Got the old trunk out. Got the whole floor. This is gonna be sanded down, sandblasted, and put back together so that they can be reused. All these here parts are gonna be fixed and reused. Getting some work done. So as y'all can see, the parts car is back to where it's supposed to be. I holla. That will be all used to put this one back together along with this one over here. So, I'm going to be ripping the floor out of this one and reinstalling it into this one. This was a Flintstone mobile for real, for real. Chop, cut, rebuild. Chop, cut, rebuild. I can't wait for these cars to be done and put back together and see these boys ripping on the runway. Y'all have a good day. If you can vision it, you can envision it. Good metal, bad metal. All of this here is going to be cut out. The lines have been drawn. This part is going on. And just for the record, I am not actually working on this car. This is one of my buddies. I take no credit in the pain that's going into making this car beautiful again. I'll holler at y'all later.